Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a Telegram bot that can find the location of any IP address. It's quick and simple. First, create a Telegram bot by messaging botfather on Telegram. Name your bot and it will give you a token. Next, sign up at ipstack.com to get an access key for their location API. Two keys are all you need. Now let's write the code. Use Node.js and install two libraries. Node Telegram bot API for Telegram and another one is request for making API calls. If someone needs or start the bot welcomes them. If someone sends an IP address, it looks up the location using the IP stack API and sends back details like country, city and coordinates. And do not forget to secure your keys using environmental variables. Finally, run the bot with Node script.js. Go back to Telegram, send your bot an IP address and watch it reply with the location information. It's that easy. Let's check it once. Here is the code. Now I'm trying to enter some IP address. Here is the IP location. And that's it. Your location bot is live. Thank you.